true lovers, welcome to my channel. This time around we're twisting things around and I'm just going to take you to a journey of me cooking with you. Simple homemade recipe that we can make together. I hope you can enjoy this journey. Do like and subscribe to the channel. I use warm water to stir the yeast and let it activate from the bowl. I'm placing the dough in a large clean surface bowl for everything to process perfectly well. So for this part, we're just gonna have to place it all together, and then we can add your cooking oil. So you're just gonna need 1.5 cup of your cooking oil, or you can just use room temperature butter for this process. As soon as I'm done mixing all the ingredients together with the oil, so I'm just gonna let the dough to sit for 2 hours, and as you can see, it has perfectly risen. Dust the flat surface with flour. To bake this ingredients, I'm just going to be using an air fryer. But for oven, please preheat the oven to 400 degrees and bake in a preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Once are baked and everything looks perfectly made. These buns just don't look soft, but they taste incredibly delicious. Please try it and let me know how it all tastes for you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you soon, my true lovers. Let's cook.